this session, we're going to be discussing the security related incidents in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. You can see I've selected a specific customer. This type of view can also um, be available from your all customers, and we'll actually have another column here uh, showing the name of the customer. But in our example, we're just going to use this single customer. And I'm looking in the incidents section of the protection console. Here, you're going to see a couple of widgets across the top as far as the threat status and how many incidents have been mitigated automatically versus manually, and then a number of um, incidents that are not mitigated. You have the severity history, where you can see the different critical, high, and medium severity and uh, the evolution over time there, and different tactics that have been detected throughout this list of incidents. Now, as far as um, prioritizing and reviewing some of these incidents, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind when you're looking at the incident type. Some of these you can see malware is actually detected. You can also see the positivity level, 10 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, as well as the severity, high severity, medium severity, etc. So these are some things to take into account when um, prioritizing certain incidents, as well as the created and updated dates. You also have filters across the top if we wanted to filter any of these incidents. And I can actually hide the widgets with this button here if I just wanted to see the list of incidents here. And it is going to automatically refresh. You can see the option enabled here. I believe that's 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, that'll automatically refresh. If we wanted to get in and analyze one of these incidents in more detail, maybe we'll look at this one here as an example. It'll open the column to the right, where you're going to see not only the incident ID, but we're looking in the overview tab, and currently this one is not mitigated. The positivity level is 10 out of 10. Detected malware through PowerShell.exe. The verdict is malicious. Severity is high. Investigation state is not started. If I were actually going to go through and investigate this, I could change this to investigating. It's created and updated on these dates. You can see who it's assigned to here. I could click in and assign this to a different user, depending on who's managing this particular incident. You also have workload details at the bottom, the name of the system, whether it's online, the operating system, Acronis agent version, IP address, the user that's logged in, and the protection plan that's running. If we look in the next section here, you're going to see some of the attack techniques, the techniques and procedures that align with the Mitre attack framework: execution, persistence, defense, evasion, discovery. Um, if I wanted to learn about any more of these, you can see these are actually linked. And if you look at the bottom, it's going into Mitre. So if I click on one of these, like persistence, for example, it'll take me into mitre.org, and you can read more about some of these different persistence techniques. And in the activities section, if we were taking any actions on this incident. Whenever we go into the investigation, it's going to be tracked through the activities. You can also provide comments here along the way. And that is going to wrap it up as far as overview of the incidents. Um, you'll have to check back with us for another video on investigation of the incident. Thank you.